Hey everyone, Dr. D here, and in this video I've got a treat. I've ordered some tools through Snapon through my Student Excellence program. Since I'm working on that certificate, working hard on getting my certificate in automotive technology, they offer discounts to students for Snapon tools and Matco tools, and this is my first shipment of Snapon tools. I have a little budget that I set aside each month. I'll be having more of these unboxing videos each month, and each one is gonna, add to my tool collection. And this is the first unboxing video. This is the first shipment. It should be one of the bigger ones actually, because I did have a little bit extra to spend this month on tools. So let's see what I got from Snapon. Let's see what Snapon has sent me in the mail. All right, opening up the first package, and I don't know what's in here because I have two packages actually. It looks like I have here this is a 1/2-inch ratchet, and oh wow, that is a lot of teeth. You can't even hardly hear anything going on in there because there's so many teeth. And this is a locking flex head, which means that if I do this, I should be able to, I can lock the head in whichever orientation I want, and it's stuck that way. This will help with fasteners, removing any kind of fastener at any angle. So that's a 1/2-inch ratchet, 80 tooth from Snapon, if you want to see it up close. You can see there's the Snapon there. I'm trying to see what I'm showing you in my watch so you can see kind of what's going on. All right, so yeah, 1/2-inch ratchet with a locking mechanism. Nice. In addition, I have here sockets. This is a 24-piece socket set, shallow and deep metric 6-point sockets. So be able to use these ratchets I just got. But these are 3/8 sockets, so they'll go with something else. Here I have, oh, these guys are really tiny, aren't they? Check this out. In this bag I have, this is a standard, I think it's 72 tooth, very small actually. Yeah, wow, that mechanism is fine. You can't hardly hear it at all. This is a 1/4-inch standard ratchet, and let me get it in here so you can actually see it. This is a 1/4-inch standard Snap-on ratchet. That's awesome. And I also got me a locking version of the same thing in case I need to get into some weird angles. I've got the locking version of the 1/4 drive. It's pretty neat. It locks into place. I can get it at different angles, but otherwise it's the same ratchet. So I've got the locking flex head version, and then I've got the standard version of it. And I think that's about it. Oh wait, there's actually, hey, there's some more stuff in here. Oh, I was hiding. Also have a 3/8 80 tooth. This one is a lot louder for some reason. It's very strange. It's a lot louder than the other ratchets. You can actually hear this one. I wonder if it's supposed to be louder. I don't know, but that's the 3/8 Snap-on ratchet standard. And I went ahead and got the locking 3/8 as well, so that I can, reposition it however I want. See, that one makes noise, but maybe a little less. I don't know why. I don't know why this ratchet makes a lot of noise compared to, yeah, this ratchet makes a lot of noise compared to all the other ratchets. So maybe I'll have my Snap-on rep take a look at this one, because even compared to the other, let me see, can you guys see what I'm doing here? I'm just checking my stuff here. Even compared to this 3/8 ratchet, this 3/8 ratchet is much louder. So I don't know if it's supposed to be louder, if something is tight in there or not oiled well. I'm not sure, but I'll, you know, these things are a lifetime warranty, so, you know, I'll take a look. That's something to ask my rep about. So that's it for this box, unless I'm lying again and there's something. Oh, I was lying again. All right, there is the last piece in here. It's a universal extension for a quarter drive. So it's like a universal extension socket. Okay. To be used with this little guy. Yeah. And it's their friction universal joint, which shouldn't go like this over time. They call it the friction series, so it shouldn't really lose its stiffness. I wonder if there's a way to tighten it if it starts getting loose or something. I don't see any way of tightening it, but it's supposed to stay from flopping, you know, prevent floppage. All right, so one more package to open here. This is also from the friendly Snap-on rep. Just got delivered today. Let's see what's in here. All right, peeling in there. And what do we have? We have, nice. Get rid of this box here. We have a wrench set. Okay, so this is the Snap-on flank combination ratcheting combination. So let me show you what that works, how that works, I should say. Get the corner here. Gosh, I'll get one of these out to show you. Okay, so this should be, yeah, it seems like I have 10 millimeter to 19 millimeter wrenches. And these are the ratcheting wrenches. Let me show you that real quick. Unless, of course, it doesn't want to open. All right. So let me grab the 15 millimeter. So this would be flank drive, Snap-on, 15 millimeter. It's got the open end. It's a combination, but it's a ratcheting combination. You can hear it. Wow, very fine. I think it has 80 tooth, so it's got just as many teeth as, say, you know, the ratchets do. So, and according to the Snap-on rep, this, you can actually use this to break fasteners. You can use this here, the ratcheting end of this, to break fasteners. It's not going to destroy the mechanism. They built it that tough. So yeah, I'm excited. This is it. That's what I got. I'm looking forward to opening up my sockets as well later on. I don't think I need to open them here because, you know, sockets are sockets. But that's what I got for you. And stay tuned next month. I'll, you know, like I said, each month I have a budget that I can work with. This month, you know, I got a few ratchets. A few ratchets, a few wrenches. Next month I'll probably get the non-locking version of this guy, you know, this half inch ratchet. I'll probably get the standard version of this because I want a standard and a locking flex version of all the ratchets that they offer. So far I'm almost there. You see, let me kind of lay them all side by side. Let me show you kind of where we're at right now. I've got to piece this together slowly, you know, but I've got the standard and locking flex head quarter drive, the standard and locking flex head 3/8 drive, and I'll hopefully have the standard and locking flex head to go with this locking flex head 1/2" drive. And then I'll be working on the sockets, you know, trying to get more sockets and working on more wrenches. So I'm really interested in their Flank Plus wrenches, combination wrenches, because that open end is supposed to actually hold on to fasteners and not round them off. So, and don't forget, I also got this little universal joint, which is for the 1/4 inches. I want to, you know, eventually get the ones for the other ratchets as well. So that's it. That's my unboxing for today. This was my order. Came in. I thought you guys would like to see it. I'm upgrading my tools. I'll probably sell my old tools off if you know me you want to purchase some of my old tools. I'll be selling my Pittsburgh ratchets, you know, the ones that correspond with these. I'll probably be selling those off. I'll be selling off some of my other wrenches, probably selling off some of my sockets as well. As I upgrade to Snapon or Matco, I'll probably sell off some of my older stuff, some of my less expensive tools as well. So it's really nice that Snapon and Matco do this for students. You know, I think it came out to more than half off all of this. You know, if I had just purchased this through their store as a normal person and not a student working on their certificate in automotive technology, I would have paid double of what I paid, more than double actually, of what I paid for this stuff, which actually puts it in the realm of possibility of buying. You know, at full price, these things are kind of cost prohibitive. So it's really nice that they do that for the students and give them the opportunity. I think at my program, they offer you something like, you know, up to a certain amount of money that you can purchase total in tools. So you could utilize that or you could not, but all the tools are, you know, a big percentage off. Hand tools are the most percentage off, and then followed by other types of tools, power tools, diagnostic tools. You can also get like storage, like their Snap-on toolboxes or tool carts as well. So it's really a good deal. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll keep you updated with more, you know, unboxings as I do them. Should be about this time every month that I, you know, get a few more bits in, you know, and I'll keep you posted. All right. Thanks for watching.